Hey guys, Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Heartland Corterra 3.0. Let's go take a look. Up front, you're going to have a Curt Rotaflex Kingpin box. That's going to give you a little bit of dampening for that road vibration, make your trip a little bit smoother. Moving down the door side, you're going to have a large pass-through storage that's going to have a control panel for your solar charger and your battery cutoff. This Corterra is going to have a large 12-volt awning with your LED light strip, give you a little bit more usable space outside. You're also going to have your 4-step step-above system, give you a really solid entrance into that RV. You're also going to have your new safety handle. A lot of the industry is moving to these, gives you an extended grip all the way down your steps. Moving down a little bit further, you're gonna see the Corterra is gonna use Lippert's frameless windows all the way down. The only ones that are not gonna be frameless on the sides of the slides. Going back a little bit further, you're gonna see you have your low profile rear lights. You good?
Yeah, I think I stepped into
a spider web?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there on that tree. On the back, you're gonna have prep for your Lippert ladder. Most of the fifth wheels in the industry right now are not gonna have a ladder installed, but you have the option to have a stow and go ladder. That's gonna give you a little bit more options of how you wanna use it. On the off door side, you're gonna see that this Corterra is using the Suburban tankless hot water heater. That is gonna be very nice to have in the campground. You don't have to wait for the tank to heat up to take a nice hot shower. You're gonna have constant hot water. Going into the pass-through, you're gonna have your standard water closet with all of your water connections, and right in front of that, you're gonna have the panel for your auto level. Once you step into this Corterra, you're gonna step into the kitchen. This kitchen has a really nice residential feel. You're gonna have your Everchill fridge. That's gonna be a residential size, give you plenty of storage for all your cold goods. Moving forward, you're gonna have a very large island. The kitchen sink is going to have a cover that matches the solid surface countertops. Gonna be a really nice feature to have. If you need more counter space, you can just cover up the sink. Gonna have a massive large basin sink with a high-rise faucet. Moving back behind me, Heartland is gonna give you a lot of nice storage area. You're gonna have a large pantry that's gonna have your motion sensitive light in there. You're also gonna have storage for wine bottles up here. It's gonna have a hanging rack for your wine glasses and plenty of other storage. And if you wanna put a coffee bar right here, they already have the plug in place for your coffee maker. Moving forward to some of the kitchen appliances, you're gonna have a large Greystone convection microwave, gonna be really nice for cooking some of those smaller meals. But if you wanna cook for the whole family, you're gonna have an awesome Suburban 3-burner stove with the glass top and a full-size RV oven. In this Corterra, Heartland's gonna give you a really nice dark tone leather furniture, and you're gonna have full recline and heat on these, and it is just amazing how good they look in this RV. Another great thing they have done on this is you're gonna see we have strip lighting going through the entire coach. That's gonna replace most of the 12-volt puck lighting that you see in most RVs, and in my opinion, it looks a lot better and it puts out a lot more light. Next to the recliners, you're gonna have a full residential pull-out couch that is gonna match in that dark tone leather. This is gonna pull out to a full queen bed. If you have some other people coming with you, some cousins, some nephews, some of your kids, and they need a place to stay, you got plenty of sleeping area. In front of your recliners, you're gonna have an awesome entertainment area. You're gonna have a massive TV with a shelf that's gonna give you a little bit of storage underneath. And right below that, you're gonna have a great electric fireplace that will put off heat if you need it during those winter months. But what really is great about this setup is you have so much extra storage hidden right behind the entertainment center. For your dining area, you're gonna have an awesome freestanding table. You're gonna have these great dark leather seats. And if you need a little bit more space on the table, Heartland's got you covered. The bathroom in this Corterra is going to do the best with giving you as many options as possible with the least amount of space. It feels like you have tons of space in here, but in reality, it's not taking much space away from the kitchen or the bedroom. You're going to have an awesome shower here that's going to give you plenty of space tucked away over here in the corner. You're going to have a full-size porcelain toilet with your solid surface countertops and the vanity right above. Over here, they're gonna have your prep for your washer dryer. The bedroom in this Corterra is gonna have an absolutely massive king bed. This might be one of the biggest ones I've ever seen in an RV. They have it in its own slide, so it's gonna give you a little bit more usable space in the bedroom. And to the right, you're gonna see massive amounts of storage with the automotive grade front windshield. All right, guys, this has been the Corterra 3.0. This is a fantastic RV, and it's gonna be a great option for any of our customers that don't wanna push the limits on towing ability. This RV is gonna come in at a dry weight of just above 10,000 pounds, so most 3/4 ton trucks are gonna be able to handle it. No reason to go up to a dually or a 450. It's gonna have a hanging rack for your wine glasses and plenty of other storage. And if you wanna put a coffee bar right here, they already have the plug in place for your coffee maker.